Are you, the avian?
You ought to respect the name, miss. It's known to make men fall dead just by the very sound of it.
Uh-huh. Well, I live with your cousin, Miranda. She said you're a master of fear tactics. Said you used them on some kid in high school.
Oh yeah. You wouldn't believe the things I did.
Right. Well, whatever it was, do you think you could do it again?
Absolutely.
Is that a mask? What are you, a Batman villain?
Who's the target?
My opponent for student president. I just need you to scare him. Make him drop the race. You get me?
Trust me, he will soon know the true meaning of fear. Just one look at me, and he'll be shaken to his very core.
Hi there, excuse me, hello.
I'm part of the commuter club. Would you be interested in learning more
I'm
information?
sorry, but I'm kind of in the middle of something.
No, that's okay. We actually have some pretty fun events coming up this month. If you just look at me, we have trivia night, we're doing collage night, and we're also doing hiking trips coming up.
Did you say collage night?
Yes, I did. That's actually one of our more popular events,
Oh my
too.
God, no way. I've been looking for people to collage with forever.
Perfect, yeah.
Do I have to bring my own materials?
No, that's actually the best part. It's all provided for you. All you have to do is just show. Yeah.
Give me one second. Sorry, I really gotta go. Definitely put me down for that though.
Yeah.
But I gotta run. Bye!
Okay, yeah. We'll see you there.
Hey, sis. I can't talk for too long. I'm about to go into the library. Huh? Well, I'm all right. I'm still just figuring out what to do with all these posters. Well, yeah, but who else can even... Hey, I'm gonna call you back.
Wait up! Stupids! Oh, shit, wait. Give me a second. Had to run so fast. Okay, let's get this over with.
Get what over with? Who the hell are you? What's with the mask? Are you like a Batman villain? What's going on?
God damn it, no! Why does everyone keep asking me that? I mean, I'm the avian, master of fear, well known by all as a force to be reckoned with. Oh, am I kidding? I can't even make my intimidating catchphrase sound cool.
Are you?
It's just so hard, trying to stand out nowadays. No matter what it is I do, no one knows I exist.
So you opted to be a masked hitman?
It sounded better in my head. Look, I was hired to scare you out of the election by your political opponent.
Emily?
Yeah, but I don't care anymore. I'm sorry I chased after you. You're free to go. Oh well, at least there's collage night.